guys, so I am at the gym right now, and I just got my Women's Best package, and I have never ordered anything from there before. I've never had any of their stuff, so I figured that it would be kind of a cool idea to do like an unboxing kind of thing and show you guys what I got and then try it out for us and see how it is. So this is how it looks when you first, oh no, that's not good. Oh man. I guess that they were out of the, let me see, the chocolate hazelnut crunch protein bar. So they actually added 1 pack of the coconut protein bites, 1 pack of strawberry protein bites, a pack of white chocolate protein powder cookies, and then two GO Fit Whey protein in the flavor unicorn. So that's actually really nice that they did that. They didn't have to do that, so thank you. This first of the protein chips, salt and vinegar. Here are those cookies. The cheese and onion protein bites, the whey protein, and then 2 different protein bars. I have what's this one? This coconut crunch, and I also got the strawberry crunch, as well as a shaker and the BCAA aminos in the flavor fruit fusion. So I am actually gonna try this one out really quick. Okay, so my drink has been sitting there for a second, so I'm gonna try it. So it's really light, but it's really good. It almost tastes like, I don't know. I like it, whatever it is. This is a fruit fusion flavor. It's really good. So I am going to get started on my cardio. And for my outfit of the day, what I'm working out in, I have this, let me fold that down, blue sports bra from, it's Victoria's Secret Sport. They're actually having their semi-annual sale right now, so I got that there. Then I just have a simple pair of black high-waisted yoga pants, and these are from Fabletics. These are honestly my favorite yoga pants ever. All of Fabletics yoga pants I've had, amazing. They stay up and they are squat proof. Last, I have my all white Nikes. I got these for Christmas, and I will link all of these products down below if I can find them online. So just go down and you can find them easily.